Welcome to Dubai, one of the most vibrant and exciting cities in the world. If you are in transit and have a few hours to spare, why not take a day trip and explore this amazing city? Join us as we discover some of Dubai's most exciting destinations. First up is Dubai Creek, the historic heart of Dubai. Take a traditional abra boat ride and soak in the stunning views of the city's skyline, while experiencing the old world charm of the souks and trading ports along the banks of the creek. Next, visit the Frame, Dubai's newest architectural wonder. Standing tall at 150 meters, it offers breathtaking views of the city's futuristic skyline from its observation deck. The Frame is a must-visit attraction for anyone who loves architecture and design. Sheikh Jayed Road is one of Dubai's most iconic highways, with 14 lanes and some of the city's most impressive skyscrapers. You will see landmarks such as Emirates Towers and the Burj Khalifa, as well as popular shopping malls like the Dubai Mall and the Mall of the Emirates. As you drive along Sheikh Jayed Road, you will be impressed by the city's engineering and innovations.
Next,
Head to the Future Museum, a unique museum dedicated to the future of technology and innovation. You will get a glimpse into the latest advancements in science and technology and experience interactive exhibits that will leave you amazed. Next, we headed to Dubai Marina. It is one of the city's most glamorous areas, with a stunning waterfront promenade lined with yachts and luxury apartments. The area also boasts beautiful beaches and the iconic Burj Al Arab, a sail-shaped luxury hotel that is a symbol of Dubai's opulence and extravagance. Palm Jumeirah is one of Dubai's most iconic landmarks. Shaped like a palm tree and home to some of the world's most luxurious resorts and hotels, including the famous Atlantis resort. Take a drive around the island and soak in the beautiful views of the Arabian Gulf. Finally, visit the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Standing at 828 meters, the Burj Khalifa is a true engineering marvel. In the evening, the Burj Khalifa comes alive with a spectacular light show, a stunning display of music, water, and light that is not to be missed. That concludes our day trip in Dubai. We hope you have enjoyed this tour of the city and that it has given you a taste of what Dubai has to offer. From indoor skiing to desert safaris and from skydiving to fine dining, Dubai is full of amazing experiences that you won't find anywhere else. We can't wait to come back for more adventures and discoveries in this wonderful city. Thank you for watching and bye for now.